Thank you so much. So this is the last show of our tour. We wanted to start off here, but I think there were no rooms available, so we decided to end here instead. But it's better because now we're all tight and we know how to play the songs and stuff.
Yeah, you should have seen us in Pomona.
All right, actually this one, I think we know how to play this one. We haven't played this one in like a month. So, give it a shot.
This part's unlovable. How the rose in your heart you hold still. All the water in your words won't make it grow. Oh, the call of the nightingale. How our love beneath the ghostly sails we move like gypsies in the mist and beneath the glow. Oh, how the river flows under the ice and snow. The keeper of the flame, the rose-capped nose of lips, its perfume breath we breathe. And my dear mama, never leave. This part you never knew. How the bulbs in your heart are true. They send the shoots through my fingers into your bones. Oh, the call of the corridor. How I long to be your one true love. We move like gypsies in the stars and